This time it's a new game, Castle Clash. Mess Up Gaming 21 already has made a video on it if you want to check out his channel. This is my guild. I haven't been on for a long time, but I'm really good at the game. So, Pumpkin Loot, that's the best thing you can have. That's like the top thing that you have to have, and I got it. It was amazing when I got it. It was like best thing ever. So in this base, tell me if this base is good. For me it is. I haven't lost yet because they come from inside and then my marker can just burn them around. So let's get straight into the video, I guess. I'm not gonna do that. I already beat the boss once. It's got Santa Boomer. Oh no, he's gone. Okay. I'm going to make it. Oh my god. My pumpkin dies first. It really is not. Let's try to cycle this fast. I should have gone through the top and get Thunder God to lightning him. Yeah, I should have done that, but I'm stupid. This is nice. There we go guys, our first attack. I'm gonna show you as much as I can in 10 minutes of my video. Let's see if I can join a team fast. Here, I'm gonna just pause it. I'm gonna pause the video and we're back guys. I just joined a team. One of our guys is attacking. He's attacking down here. Let's see if we can win. So guys, it looks like we're gonna win, and for Storm Mesa, you need Pumpkin Loot. You obviously need Pumpkin Loot. That's the one that I'm always looking for, because if there's only one Pumpkin Loot, it has to be like level 150 something. So what I'm about to do now is go fight in an arena. I never win on this one, so I'm like super first team. Okay. Why are they? I'm gonna just choose every single one of them. I don't know. This is weird. I haven't been here for the update, so it's kind of weird for me. How much do I need? Dang, bro. I don't know. Oh, God, can't even put nothing here. How does this work? Tap edit setup to update your buttons. Oh, okay. Because it's been the update. Oh. Really? I don't know, I'm not gonna do this. I'm just wasting time. Sorry for that. Let me just waste my gems in one row. Usually I save for a long time, but to show you guys, one row I'm probably gonna get a low cheap. Yep. Just like I expected. Let me do another of this. Because I've never been on this one. Ooh. That's a new treat. I'm the only one with the pumpkin. Well, let's see if we can save it. What the pumpkin does is make your attack faster, which you really need it. So if they take out my pumpkin boot, then basically, I mean, there's a little chance that we're gonna go fast. So right now we're still going slow because we're not even having my pumpkin boot. I'm gonna pause the video and see until it's done, or if we actually do it. Okay. So guys, it doesn't look like we're gonna beat it. We're like halfway. I might as well just end battle because actually I might have it again. I don't know. Actually, let's just see it and waste a little bit of time. I don't think this and another attack will be my last one. I'm not an arena, but last attack will be just attacking people, and then y'all can tell me if y'all want to see more Castle Clash videos or any game. I'm gonna probably upload another New Bears video. I don't know, or Clash of Clans. Actually, we might do that. I don't know. Actually, no, I'm gonna end the video after this. Yeah, we're gonna read it. I thought it was gonna lose. Let's go. We're done here. Oh shoot, I don't think we're gonna have time to go around. Oh my gosh. Please tell me we're gonna beat it. Please tell me we're gonna beat it. Oh, this is gonna be close. This is gonna be close. 5, 3, 2. Yes! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my! Thank God I'm gonna upload this video. Last second. Oh my god, dude. What happened? Oh my god. I literally jumped. That's the closest I ever been in any world. It literally hit 0 and we finished. I thought we lost, man. Oh my god, dude. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you saw that. Oh my gosh. That was a replay.